Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a crispy flavorful snack that's perfect for tea time or parties. Aloo Kebab. Let's dive into the easy recipe. Take 2 to 3 chopped potatoes and 1 medium onion. Pour them in blender and blend them together to a coarse texture. Potatoes are rich in potassium and vitamin C. Aloo kebabs are a vegetarian twist on the classic meaty kebab. Now place a clean cloth or muslin over a bowl and pour the mixture in. Squeeze out all the excess water. This is an important step to get the right texture for our kebabs. Now transfer it to a bowl. Always squeeze out the moisture well to avoid soggy kebabs. 1 chopped green chilli, 1 chopped red chilli, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon garam masala, 2 tablespoon chopped mint leaves, 2 tablespoon flour and 2 tablespoon rice flour. Add 1 egg. Mix everything well to form a uniform mixture. Adding mint and chilies enhances digestion. Mint leaves add a cooling fresh aroma that balances the spice. Take a round cutter and shape your kebabs neatly. Did you know kebabs were originally grilled over open flames in ancient Persia? And gently place the kebabs in the oil. Chilling the mixture for 10 minutes can help in better shaping. Use a non-stick pan or shallow fry for an oil-saving option. Don't overcoat the pan while frying to keep them crisp. Fry for about 7 to 8 minutes or until golden and crispy on both sides. These kebabs can also be used in burgers or wrap for fusion fun. You can skip the egg and use besan for a vegetarian version. Use olive oil or air fry for a heart-healthier version. And your delicious aloo kebabs are ready to serve. So what do you think about these crispy aloo kebabs? Would you dip them in ketchup, chutney or plain yogurt? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, follow and share Enoven Cake and Cookies for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Happy cooking!